Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to do that. We can do it by using our contact list, so we can block a number which is currently saved, or we can do it kind of manually. Of course, I'll show you both options, and let's start with the contacts. So let's enter the contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got block numbers option. So just tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it. I don't want to report it as a spam, and let's tap on block to confirm. And as you can see, from now on we can see this information. What's more, this characteristic icon, which simply means that you will now receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So, talking about the second way of blocking a number, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents, or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. And as I said at the very beginning of this video, in the second way you can block a number manually. So just tap on add a number, and as you can see, you can enter the number manually in this section. So you do not have to have it saved. You can have it, for example, copied. You can paste it here and simply tap on block. And as you can see, your device immediately blocks the number. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, which simply means that after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful or not, it's actually up to you. It's personal. If you want to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on the X button and confirm. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.